Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope as usual you all are fine and safe at home. Once again welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, do you remember in the last period what we have learned? Just try to remember. Can anybody tell me? Yes, correct. In the last period we have learned types of plants. Yes, in the last period we have started lesson number 2, that is the world of plants, and in last period we have learned 5 types of plants. So which are those 5 types of plants? Yes, trees are big and tall. Then afterwards shrubs are medium sized plant and they have woody stem, and also they are shorter than trees. Then herbs, the third type is herbs. Herbs have weak stem and green color stem. They are also delicate. Next type we have seen that creepers. Creepers are the plants which creep on ground. And last one, climbers. Very good. Climbers means the plants which take support for their growth, means they take external support, isn't it? So this much we have learned in the last period. So today we are going to learn parts of plants. Okay, so everyone open your book, open page number 131. Okay students, so today what we are going to learn? Parts of plant. But before that, listen to me carefully what I am going to tell you. As you all know that we have different body parts, isn't it? For example, head, eyes, ears, nose, these hands, shoulders, stomach. These are our body parts, isn't it? And all these body parts carries out different functions, isn't it? Means we can see with the help of our eyes, we hear with the help of our ears, we talk with our mouth, we hold the things with the help of our hands. Means all these functions are carried out by different body parts. Similarly, plants have different parts and all those parts have a different names, and all that parts carries out different functions, isn't it? So now we will learn about the parts of plants. Okay, now see students, can you see this plant? Look at to this plant and observe it carefully. What is this? This is plant. This is a periwinkles plant. Okay, now everybody observe this plant. I will tell you the name of one part and I will explain it afterwards. Look children, these are the roots of plant. What are these? These are the roots of plant and they grow underground. Where they grow? They grow underground, and the remaining part of plant, that is stem, branches, leaves, they grow upside. Means up of the ground. Where are the roots? They grows underground in soil. So what are these? These are the roots of plant. Next one, see, can you see this green color stem? This is the stem of plant. What is this? Stem, and it is green color. Now next see, these are the leaves. What are these green colors? Can you see green color leaves? These are the leaves. Next see, these are flowers of plants. Can you see pink color flowers are there? Yes. So these are the flowers of plant. Next see, these are small birds. Means now they are in state of bird. After 2-3 days, this bird convert into flower. And see, these are the seeds of this plant. Inside these pods there are seed. But students, see, this is the flower plant, and this plant don't bear fruit, so I can't show you the fruit of this plant, but in your book I will explain you. Okay, do you understood which are the parts of plants? Once again I will repeat. Roots, these are the roots of plants. Next one, this part is stem. Next, see, these are branches, and branches bears leaves. So many leaves are there, and leaves are green in color. Next part is flowers, this bud, and these are the seeds. Inside these pods there are seeds. Okay, do you understood? Is that clear? Okay, now in detail we will see from our book. See students, parts of plant. In this picture I will show you the one part, that is a fruit. See, these are roots. Next one is this green color, it is stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Next, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. This is also one part of plant. Here only one leaf is pointed, so we can say leaf, and when we mention many, that time we can say leaves. Next part is seed. Can you see? These are the seeds in green color pot. There are some seeds of this plant. This is bean plant. Next, see, this is fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, and next part is flower. Can you see here? Red color flower is there, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. So once again see, roots, stem, leaf, these are seeds, fruit and flowers. Now in detail we will see what functions these parts carry out. Okay, see, plants grow in soil. Where do plants grow? Most of all the plants grow in soil, means soil is the main factor for the growth of plants. See next one, the stem supports the plant and carries food to each part of the plant. See students, this is the stem of plant, and what is the function of stem? Yes, it gives support to the plant. Remember the function of stem. What is the function of stem? It gives support to plant. And next, and carries food to each part of the plant. Whatever the food stored in plant, that stem carries to all parts of plants. Means stem क्या करता है? Plant के जो parts है उसको food provide करता है. Next, see, leaves make food for plants. What is the function of leaves? Leaves makes food for plant. See, these are the green color leaves of plant, and their function is to make a food. Do you know students how the leaves of plant make food? If you don't know, I will tell you. Listen. Roots absorb water and mineral from soil. What they do? Root absorb water and minerals from the soil, and leaves use a gas from air, that is carbon dioxide. They use carbon dioxide gas and they convert this ingredient into food, means water, minerals and yes, the gas carbon dioxide, it is converted into food, and this process is known as photosynthesis, and with the help of sunlight this process is covered. Understood? Root absorb minerals and water from soil, and the leaves absorb the gas, that is CO2, means carbon dioxide from air, and they convert these ingredients into food, and this food is stored in the form of glucose and starch. Whatever the food is prepared, it is stored in the form of glucose and starch. Is that clear? Yes. So the leaves make food for plant. This is the main function of leaves. What is the main function of leaves? To make food for plants. See next one. Flowers of different plants are of different shapes, size and colors. Most of all plants bear flowers, fruits and leaves. But students, do you know all types means the plants which gives us flowers? All those flowers are of different shapes, size and they are of a different colors. आपको पता है जिस प्लांट को फ्लावर्स आते हैं वो सभी फ्लावर्स क्या होते हैं? दे आर ऑफ अ डिफरेंट शेप्स, color and as well as they are different in size. Means some flowers are big, some flowers are small and their color is also different. Means red, white, yellow, they are in different color. Next see, flowers of some plants have a nice smell. Few flowers of some plant have a nice smell. Means they have a aroma, a particular fragrance. For example, rose, mogra and dahlia. They have a smell, nice smell. Next see, fruits come from flowers. How fruits come? See, these are the flowers. And when flowers get dry, after few days, that flower convert into fruits. Okay, next see, seeds in fruits give rise to new plant when they get enough water, warmth and air. See student, there are some fruits in most of the, there are some seeds in most of the fruits. Some fruits have only one seed, some fruits have 2-4 seeds or some fruits have many seeds. For example, mango have only one seed and custard apple have many seeds. Black color seeds are there and they are many in number. So see, seeds in fruits, whatever the seeds are there in fruit, it gives rise to new plant only when they get enough water, warmth and air. If the seed whichever we have sown in the soil, if that seed get enough water, air, sunlight means warm, if it gets, then it will convert into new plant and its growth will take properly. Next see, roots fix the plant into the soil and absorb water from the soil. What is given here? Roots fix the plant into the soil. See, these are the roots of plant and they fix the plant in the soil. And what is their function? To absorb water and minerals from the soil. This is the main function of root. What is the main function of root? To absorb water and minerals from the soil. Is that clear students? Do you understood which are the parts of plants and what are their functions? Okay, now we will go ahead. See, what do plants need to grow? Which factors are necessary for the growth of plants? We will see here. See, new plants grow from seeds. As I told you before, new plants grow from seed. But students, do you know there are some plants which grow from cuttings or from leaves also. They don't need seeds to grow or convert into new plants. So which are those plants? Yes, see, rose, dahlia, money plant, they grow from cuttings, means from cuttings they convert into new plants, isn't it? New plants grow from seeds. Most of the plants grow from seeds, but there are few plants which grow from cuttings. See, plants grow in soil. Many plants grow in soil, and soil is the main factor for the growth of plants. Next, see, plants need air, sunlight and water to grow. What do plants need to grow? Yes, plants need air, sunlight and water to grow. Listen student, if the seed will not get or the plant will not get any one factor from this, then the growth of plant will not take properly. So which are the necessary factors for the growth of plant? Air, sunlight and water. These three are the main factors for the growth of plant. Okay. Now turn the page. Open page number 132. See, now we will learn uses of plants. See students, there are so many plants and all those plants are useful to us. We have many uses of plants. Now let's see how they are useful to us. See, first use, plants gives us food items like fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. What we get from plants or what plants provides to us. See, plants give us food items like fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. We get fruits, vegetable, pulses and grain from the plants. Mean plant is the main source of food. Whatever the food we eat, we get that food from plants. Okay. Next, see, flowers are used for decoration. Many plants bear flowers of different colors, different size, and some flowers have a nice fragrance, and we use those flowers for decoration. Suppose if there is any festival or any puja in our home, that time we decorate our home with the flowers, isn't it? And see, as I told you before, some flowers have nice smell. So the flowers which gives nice smell, we use those flowers to make some types of perfumes or scents, and by using flowers we can make a big garlands also. Okay, so these are the uses of flowers. Next, many medicines are made from different parts of plants. See, most of the parts of plants are used as medicines. Means all the parts of plants are useful to us. Means roots, stem, leaves. Sometimes we can use flowers and fruits as a medicine. There are so many plants which we use as a medicines, and the plants which we use as a medicine, we call those plants as a medicinal plant. Okay. See, next one. Some birds build nest on trees. There are some birds which make their nest on trees. Means trees are the shelters for many birds and animals. For example, birds make their nest on trees, and monkeys, they live on trees. Then deer, elephant, they also live in trees. Means which big grasses there, no? In that grasses they live, some animals, and birds, they make their nest on trees. So what is the next use? See, trees gives us wood which is used to make things like chairs and table. Not only these two things, we can make many things with the help of wood, and which we get from the trees. We get wood from trees, and we use that wood to make different types of furniture which we use in our home or in many places. Also we get timber and firewood also from trees. So see students, these many are the uses of plants. Which are the uses of plants? We get fruits, vegetable, pulses, grains from the trees or plants. Means trees are the main source of food. Next, we get flowers from trees and we use those flowers for decoration. Next, some plants are useful as a medicines. We use some parts of plants as a medicine. Next, some birds build their nest on trees. Means trees are shelter for birds and animals. Next use is trees gives us wood or firewood, and that is also useful for us to make different types of furniture. So these are the uses of plants. In this way, plants are useful to us. So see students, plants or trees are known as our best friends. Why they are called as best friend of human beings? Yes, because they are useful to us in many ways. So remember, trees are our best friends. Okay. Next, see, we must take care of plants growing around our houses. Whatever the plants are growing around our houses or in our surrounding, we must take care of all those plants. Why? Because they are useful to us in many ways. We must not pluck leaves or flowers of plants. See students, plants are useful to us. They are our best friends. So we should not pluck any flower, leaves, as well as we should not pluck fruits also. Okay. Unnecessary, never pluck any leaves, flowers or fruits from the trees. Remember it. And avoid cutting of trees. Instead, you must try to plant many trees in your surrounding. Why? Trees are useful to us, and also trees provides oxygen for us, which we use for breathing. Many plants provides us main gas, that is oxygen, which is very useful to all living things for breathing. And if there are many trees in our surrounding, they receive rainfall. And if we will cut the trees, then what will happen? We will not get any type of fruits, flowers, vegetable. We will not get wood for making furniture. We will not get any type of medicine, and also birds, animals, they will not get their shelters. And if they will not get shelters in forest or on trees, then they will come to our houses. Means where our society is there, they may come or they may enter in our society. So see, take care of plants, avoid cutting of plants, and what you have to do? You have to try to plant many more trees. Understood, children? So now come to the next page, page number 133. See students, what we have learnt in this lesson? See, we have learnt different types of plants. Which types of plants are there? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the 5 types of plants that we have already seen in the last period. Next, what we have learned today? Parts of plants. So which are the parts of plants? Flower, fruit, seed, leaf, stem and root. These are the parts of plants. Next, what a plant needs to grow. Which are the necessary factors for the growth of plant? Which are those factors? soil, it is the main factor. Next, air, sunshine means sunlight or energy, and next water. If any one of the factor plant will not get, then their growth will not take properly. Next, uses of plants. Which are the uses of plants? Plants gives us food. Plants are the main source of food. Plants give us medicine. Many plants provides us medicine. For example, tulsi, that is a medicinal plant. Aloe vera, that is also medicinal plant. Next, plants protect us from the heat of the sun. Means whatever the sun rays comes on the earth, sometimes they are harmful to us or we feel very hot. That time what happens? They protect us from the heat of sun. Next, birds build nests on trees. Means trees are shelter for birds. We make furniture with wood. Whatever the wood we get from trees, we use that wood to make different types of furniture. For example, table, chairs, sofa, doors, we can make with the wood. So students, this we have learned today. Okay, now what we will do? We will, before that I will show you one video. You just see that video.
Let us learn about the plants around us. We see plants all around us. Some plants are big and tall. Some plants are small and bushy. The tall, big plants are called trees, like the mango tree, the Ashoka tree, the Gulmohar tree, and the coconut tree. Trees have roots and a trunk. The branches and leaves make the crown. Short and bushy plants are called shrubs. Shrubs are woody plants. Their branches spread out close to the ground. Very tiny plants are known as grass. What do plants need to grow? Plants grow from seeds. Plants grow in soil. Plants need water to grow. Plants need air and sunshine. We must take care of plants growing around our house. We must not pluck leaves and flowers of plants. In cold places, plants are grown in a glass house. It is called a greenhouse.
Okay students, did you enjoy the video? Okay, very good. Now what we will do? We will read out some hard words from this lesson. I think you all are ready with your pencils. Okay? So see students, I will make underline below the words. Similarly, you have to do the underline below that words and you have to repeat after me. Okay? So see, the first word is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Next word, do underline and repeat after me. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T T-R-E-E-S, trees. Next, A-P-P-L-E, apple. I think these words are familiar to you. Then also repeat after me. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Next, C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Next word is banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. Next word, B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. Next, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Next, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Next, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Next, M-I-N-T, mint. Next one, C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R, coriander. Next word, C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. Next, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. Now come to the next page. Next word is S-O-I-L, soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Next, S-T-E-M, stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Next, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Next, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Next word, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Next, W-A-R-M-T-H, warmth. Next, R-O-O-T-S, roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Next, A-B-S-O-R-B, absorb. Okay, now come to the next page. Next word is V-E-G-E-V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Next, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Next word, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. Next word is decoration. D-E-C-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, decoration. Next word M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. Next N-E-S-T-S, nests. Okay. Next word C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs. Done. Okay. And last word is P-L-U-C-K, pluck. Done. So see students, these are the hard words which we have read out just. Okay. And listen, today here we have completed our lesson number 2. And your homework is, you have to just read out the uses of plants. Okay. And you just observe any small plant in your surrounding and see their parts. Okay. Today we will stop here, and in the next session we will solve some question answers based on this lesson. Till that, take care students. Bye.